Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we are going to discuss 7 steps of notes making. The candidates preparing for competitive exam like CSS or a PMS, they have faced difficulty in making their own notes, and most of the students did not know how to make the good notes. And these are 7 steps of notes making for CSS and PMS. So the number one is, and the most important is, go through the previous year questions or the past paper and syllabus thoroughly so you can get the first hand knowledge about the exam and the questions in which they asked in the paper. And the second most important step is you should segregate at least 10 previous year questions chapter wise or subject wise so that you can guess or compare that the which part of the syllabus is more important and you need to prepare it perfectly in order to maximize your marks in the exam. Move toward the next step, which is try to study or go through the strategy of the toppers of the previous year's exams, because in fact they are the best in preparing the competitive or the civil services exams. So, an aspiring candidates must study their strategy in order to make their notes or in order to devise the plan or a strategy for his preparation. Keep in mind the previous step. The next most important step is develop clear understanding of all the topics in the syllabus via classes or a self-study. If you are comfortable with the classes, go for it, or you are comfortable for a self-study, then you should go for self-study, and self-study is obviously a good option. Next step is make note on all the topic in the syllabus. And remember, don't seek to make perfect note because it is a trap. Trap in the sense that if you are running in search of perfect notes, you can lose the attention or you are derail the strategy of your preparation. Next step is, once your understanding towards the syllabus and notes for all topics are done, then you should revise them and then write the answers, especially the previous year questions or a past paper. You should write the answers of your own, and you should write or prepare the previous year question at least 10 years back. Here many topics may be new for you, so you should do your own research and understand the topic according to your own research and then write their answer as well. And number 7 is, now you should have your previous notes, the notes which you write or make according to the syllabus of the subject or the exams, plus the answer to the last 10 years of the past paper. These two set of things becomes your actual notes, and these notes are perfect notes according to you or for you. And by doing these 7 steps, you can say that I have a good understanding of my compulsory and optional subjects. And remember, then and only then go and take up a test series to develop the in depth of those topics. And at this stage, the test series or the practice tests will give you the maximum benefit because you have your own notes and you have your own understandings of the syllabus to the exam, and all your compulsory and the optional subjects as well. And thanks for watching.